Welcome back to one of my mathematics videos. So today's topic will be matrices. In matrices now we will hear some terms like rows and columns. Now, rows are horizontal, that means it runs from left to right. And columns are vertical. So if it's vertical, that means run from up to down. Alright, right now you're seeing a matrix here. It's one, so it is a matrix. So now we have rows. So we have 2 rows and these are our columns. So we have 3 columns. So you hear a person say 2 rows and 3 columns. Next thing you'll hear about are size. So the size of a matrix is defined by the number of rows and columns that it has. And it is written as rows by column. So for this one now, we would say it is a 2 by 3 because it is 2 rows and 3 columns. So it'd be 2 by 3. Okay. Alright, now we're moving on to the addition of matrix. So addition of matrix now. So when you're adding matrix now, the 2 matrices can only be added if they have the same size. We just talk about size. So when we're talking about size, is the amount of rows and the amount of columns. So we have some questions here. So they said if A is equal to, and there are a number here. So it's a 2 by 2 matrix here. B is a 2 by 2 as well. And C is a 2 by 2. So when we see that now, we know that all of them can be added because they're of the same size. Now we need to find A plus B, B plus C, and C plus A, and then we have A plus B plus C. So we're going to go ahead and do those. So I'll move this up a little. Alright, so now we're going to rewrite our A. So it's going to be 5, -3, 1, 4, close the bracket, plus B now, and B is -2, 7, 0, 3. Now we have to add the corresponding elements. So we can only add row 1, column 1 with row 1 and column 1 in the other matrix. Alright, so now we have 5 plus -2 come to the next column now. So it is still row 1 but column 2 now. So we have our -3 plus our 7, which is in row 1 but column 2. So now come to the other one. It's 1 plus 0. Next side now, we're going to go 4 plus 3. Close bracket. Next is going to be open bracket. Look at this carefully now. When we have a positive and a negative beside each other, we know that we have to put a negative because the negative and a positive give you a negative. So it is 5 minus 2 now, which will give us 3. Next part now, we have -3 plus 7, which will give us 4. Good. Now we have 1 plus 0, which is 1. 4 plus 3, 7. Good. Next part now, we'll have to do B plus C. So we write -2, 7, 0, 3 plus our C, which is 6, -1, 4, 0. Corresponding elements. So it is -2 plus 6, 7 plus -1. Same here. 0 plus the 4, and then we have 3 plus 0, close bracket. And now we'll have negative 2 plus 6, which is going to give us 4. Same again, we have this, which is positive and a negative. So that will give you a negative sign. So it is now 7 minus 1, which will give us 6. Here now, we have a 0 plus the 4, which will give us 4. This now is going to be 3 plus 0, which is 3. Close bracket. Good. Now we have to move on to the others. But I would like you guys to pause the video now and try this one on your own. Just try it. So take a minute to try this one and then come back and then check to see if your answer is correct. Okay? Alright. Now we have our C, which is 6. We have negative 1, 4, 0, close bracket, plus our A now, which is 5, negative 3, 1, 4. Good. Corresponding elements again. So it is 6 plus 5. Then we have negative 1 plus our negative 3. Here now it is 4 plus 1. And this is 0 plus 4. This part now is going to be 6 plus 5, which is 11. Then here we have a negative 1 plus a negative 3. This part is going to give you a negative. So it is negative 1 minus 3, which is going to give you negative 4. This part, 4 plus 1, which is going to give you 5, and 0 plus 4, which is going to give you 4 as well. So for this one now, we have to write out our A. So we'll have 5, negative 3, 1, 4. Then we say plus negative 2, 7, 0, 3. Close bracket. Then we're going to go ahead and say plus 6, negative 1, 4, 0. Now remember we have to add corresponding elements. So now we'll have 5 plus negative 2 plus 6. Next one now we'll have negative 3 plus over 7 plus over negative 1. Then we'll have 1 plus 0 plus 4. Next part now, we look at this one. It's going to be 4 plus 3 plus 0. Close bracket. Now we'll have 5 plus negative 2. So we know that this now will give us a negative. So we'll read it as 5 minus 2, which will give us 3, plus the 6, which is going to give us 9. Here now, we'll have negative 3 plus 7, which is going to give us 4. Now, this part is what? Going to give you a negative. So we have negative 3 plus 7, which will give us 4, minus 1, which will give us what? 3. Right? Here now, we'll have 1 plus 0 plus 4, which is going to give us 5. Here now, we'll have 4 plus 3 plus 0, which will give us 7. Alright, thank you for watching, and I hope you do enjoy. Please remember to subscribe to my channel And also click on the bell for a notification when I update videos. And also make sure you like, share, and comment.